In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screencast of a Google Slides presentation and then turn that in through Canvas to your teacher. So let's start off here in my rocket science class, and I'm going to go to modules because teachers told me I have something to do today. And here it is, the second law of motion screencast. So I go into the assignment, I'm going to read my directions, and it says I've got to gather information about the topic, create a presentation in Google Slides, record my voice and the screen with Loom, and then submit it. So it says here I am to describe acceleration of an object in terms of mass and net force applied. Okay, so I have to do a screencast on the second law of motion. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and make my slideshow presentation. So I've got it ready here. And I'm going to use Loom to record it. Now, we're assuming you already have Loom installed. We have another video on that if you still need to install Loom, and your teacher can help you with that. But once Loom is installed, it sits right up here in your toolbar with all your extensions. So I'm going to click on Loom. First thing I want to do is make sure that I have the default internal microphone and the webcam lined up. And I want to make sure that when I talk, I see this little blue line jump so that we're recording. And then I can click Start Recording and do my presentation. As soon as I hit Start Recording, it's going to ask me if I have multiple screens, which screen I want to record. I want to record this one. And as soon as it does the countdown, I'll go into presentation mode. So today I'm going to tell you about rocket science a little bit. We've talked about the first law of motion in class already this week. We're going to talk about the second law, and that's where the sum of a force of an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. And I've got a sample problem here. The acceleration, the change in speed over time, is 0.05 meters per second squared, and the mass is 600 kilograms. Then force equals mass times acceleration. So I take the mass times the acceleration, and that should give me 0.05 times 600 is 30. So that's 30 newtons of force. So F is force. And that's how you do mass times acceleration. All right, I check that box to finish my recording. And you'll notice it opens a new tab and goes to Loom. And so this is our Loom video. I can click here to watch it. I'll go to presentation mode. If I want to, I can pause this. And I can actually trim the video just a little bit by clicking that trim option. And I can say start trimming. And then I can just say, I just need this part through here. Okay. And then I can say remove. And that trims it down. And when I'm ready and when I think I've got it done, I can just go up here to this button that says copy video link. And that's copied to my clipboard. Now I go back into Canvas, which I've kept open all this time, and I can click the red button here, scroll down, and you'll notice it says website URL. All I have to do is click my cursor here and right click and paste, and that is the link to my Loom video. And now I hit submit and I'm done, and that's all there is to it.